everyone, and welcome to my tutorial for the FNaF green screen pack. Like I said, if I get 200 likes, I will make another one, and I will make a tutorial. So this is the tutorial. So as you can see right here, shouts out to the Anime Kingdom. So as you can see right here, he's saying YL Link. So shouts out to don't mind that. So shouts out to Flame, Catlin, and Kalua, even though I have no idea what that says. And also shouts out to Wolf. So there it is, two people saying download and link. So this is made specifically for those who do not know how to download it. So basically what you want to do is that you want to go to this website called YTMP3. So if you open it up, there's the link right there. HTTPS ytmp3.cc. So you want to click on MP4, go back to YouTube, and copy the link. Okay, so I've copied the link. So if you go back to here, you will see it says paste, and there it is. FNaF green screen pack. So, okay, no. So just going, just get rid of the extra one. And to show y'all that this does in fact work, I will, okay, it's just my, So I will go ahead and look for the gallery. Where's the gallery? Gallery. And I'll just use the camera. Oh, what the? Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I cannot find it. Maybe I can use downloads? Yeah, there it is. FNaF green screen pack. And let's go and use a video player to show you all that it does indeed work. So yeah, there it is. Isolation zooms. And yeah. So as you can see right here, this has a complete video. So as you can see, okay. So yeah. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and found out how to download the FNaF green screen pack. So if you've enjoyed it, please leave a like, so that way we could get another green screen pack. And I'll give you a little hint. It is once again a part of Five Nights at Freddy's, or maybe not. Maybe it might be part of Five Nights at Freddy's. Maybe a part of Baldi's Basics. So yeah, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video, and see you later. Peace.